Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we are going to be testing makeup products by Haus Laboratories. This is a makeup line by Lady Gaga. I was very excited when I saw that she was going to release makeup products and I decided to get some and do a video. They have released 6 makeup sets and I got the House of Drugstore. This is how the box looks when you receive it, and we have some postcards, and this one here actually is very pretty. I think I'm going to frame it. This is the pouch with the products, and we also have a small little mirror. I was not expecting this one. Each makeup set is $49 and you can get also the products individually. If you buy the makeup set, you are saving $15. So I decided to get a set. With each makeup set, we are getting a liquid eyeshadow, a lip liner and a lip gloss. Also, you are getting this plastic pouch that you can use for your makeup products. It is super pretty, and these tassel thingies remind me of Christmas or parties. All the products are cruelty free and vegan. Make sure to stay until the end. I'm going to do a full day wear test to see if the products are long lasting. Okay, so let's see how the products are looking. Ooh, that's different. We have this pyramid design on the liquid eyeshadow, and the name of this product is not liquid eyeshadow, it is Glam all over liquid shimmer powder. On their website it says that it is a liquid to powder formula. First of all, let's take all the hair back. This one here can last up to 6 months and it is made in Germany. The packaging is so elegant, and let's see the doe foot applicator. Okay, I think it reminds me a little bit of the Stila liquid eyeshadow. I got the gold liquid eyeshadow because I also want to do some Christmassy eye looks, and they claim that this one here is transfer proof and weightless. It is almost scentless. It has a very light chemical scent, but not, ooh, I was not expecting this. Okay, so it is very shiny, but I can see that it is a little bit transparent. I have seen on Instagram that some other shades, you can also use them as highlighters. If you have a darker skin tone, you can also use this one. On me, I think it's not going to look very nice. As I can see, it blends beautifully, and after a while it becomes completely dry. So let's start with some crease colors. I'm going to use this palette today. This is the Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm thinking about doing something with the purple eyeshadow. With brush 221 by Zerva, I'm going to take eyeshadow Eden and I'm going to diffuse this into the crease. Time of truth, let's see how this works on the eyes. And I'm going to use it all over my eyelid. I have already set my concealer on the eyelid. It's very shiny. Okay, so I'm going to use this amount of product and then blend it. That's super shiny. It's not easy to get in the inner corner. I will try with the brush. Okay, that worked. I thought it would grab and look creasy. I'm blending also in the crease. That doesn't look bad and it looks absolutely gorgeous and very shiny. It is very reflective. Let's use it also on the other eye. The applicator has a round tip and it makes it super easy to apply the product near the tear duct, and I'm thinking also to use it a little bit in the inner lower lash line. But first of all, I'm going to apply a second layer. I'm just tapping the product until it dries. It dries very quickly, but you have some time to blend it. I want to see how this works with pressed eyeshadow, so I'm taking again my palette, and with brush 225 by Zerva, I'm going to take eyeshadow Amethyst. So you need to apply your matte eyeshadows in the crease before the liquid eyeshadow. Otherwise you're going to take all the glitters in the crease. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take this eyeshadow again, and I want to press it on top of the liquid eyeshadow to see if they can blend. It works, but it is easier if you apply your matte eyeshadows before the liquid eyeshadow. I'm taking again eyeshadow Eden with Blazing, and I'm going to blend a little bit in the crease. I'm going to use just a little bit in the tear duct and also in the inner lower lash line. Maybe this was a mistake. I also want to see how it looks with eyeliner, and I'm going to use the Catrice liquid liner in Dating Joe Black. To finish off the eyes, I'm using the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte. It was not difficult to apply my eyeliner on top of the glittery eyeshadow. And let's continue with the other products. This one here is the lip liner. It is called Rip Lip Liner, and it gives a demi matte finish. And this is the color Slayer. The shade for the Glam Attack eyeshadow is Legend. Ooh, the pencil is beautiful. It doesn't look cheapish. Very nice. I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. On my lips I had the Marc Jacobs High Shine Gloss in the shade Some Girls. And this one here claims that it is long lasting. It is not feathering or flaking. So let's see that. This one has a deep burgundy color. I did some mistakes on this side. Okay, it's very easy to clean it with just a Q-tip. And I'm also going to fill in the lips with the lip liner. The lip liner is intensifying a little bit the dryness on my lips, the dead skin that I have. So make sure to scrub them before you use this one, especially if you don't want to use on top of it a lip gloss or a lipstick. It is creamy, it didn't dry my lips. On top of that, I'm going to use the lip gloss. It is called Riot Gloss, and it is an ultra shiny lip gloss in the shade Scream. So, ooh, very pretty. It is the same packaging with the liquid eyeshadow. I like the design and the aesthetic of this brand. What do you think? Do you like it? The scent is again very light. The applicator has a tear duct shape and also like a curve. I also thought that it had a hole in the center, but it doesn't. It is exactly like the curve of your lips. I feel that I don't have a lot of product on the doe foot applicator, and somehow I'm removing the lip pencil, so I'm going to dip again in the tube and take some more product, and it looks like a very thick lip gloss. It has a super shiny finish. I wanted to make my lips more opaque and I applied more. Now the lip gloss started feathering a little bit on the upper part. Every time that I'm pressing my lips, the color is transferring and I have patches. The color is being removed from some areas and it is going to other areas, and it looks patchy. This formula is a little bit thicker and it's not easy to distribute it all over the lips and have a smooth layer of color. It is super shiny, it looks fantastic, but it moves a lot, and also the doe foot applicator is not absorbing a lot of product, most probably because of the thick consistency. And again, it's not easy to have beautiful glossy lips with this one. Me and the lip gloss, not the best friends. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with these Haus Labs products. Obviously, I don't have the lip gloss anymore on my lips. It was getting on my teeth everywhere. I have also tried to use it by itself without any lip liner underneath, and it was getting in all of the lines that I didn't know that I have on my lips. It was looking very wrinkly and it was moving a lot every time that I was pressing my lips. I wanted to film another video, so I changed the lipstick. The lip gloss didn't work for me very well, and I'm happy that I didn't buy another one. About the eyeshadow, what can we say? It looks majestic on the eyes. It is super glittery and shiny. It looks fantastic with natural light, and it is just amazing. I want to do more eye looks with this one. Also, some of you wanted to see more eyeshadow looks with gold eyeshadows, so you're going to see this guy again and again. Fall is here and you can see an inspired eye look here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!